Hello guys, welcome back. It is Friday afternoon and I just finished at the hairdresser. As you can see, I have actually gone quite a bit darker. The last color that I had was just like throwing out way too much redness. So we've gone quite a bit darker, a lot ashier, and honestly, I absolutely love it. I think it looks a lot darker on camera than it does in real life, but nonetheless, I really love it and I think it's a nice change. My hair just feels so healthy and shiny at the moment as well because we did a treatment and also a little trim, so it just feels amazing. As always, I went to see Lockie. He is incredible. He's my favorite hairdresser. I have been seeing him for so many years now and honestly, he just nails it every single time. He's just incredible. So if you need a new hairdresser or just looking for a recommendation, I would highly suggest going to see him. He also does my keratin treatment every few months. He is also my mum's hairdresser as well, which I just absolutely love. It's kind of funny sometimes when he knows things about my life that I haven't actually told him myself yet because my mum told him during her last appointment, but nonetheless, I actually love that we both go to the exact same hairdresser. I think it's so cute.
Hey everyone.
You look good.
This car looks so clean.
I just scrubbed it. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So
I missed
excited
you.
for it. I missed you too.
It's been too long.
I know.
Hello, it is a Sunday. It is my mum's birthday tonight. We went out for dinner last night to Caprica, which is one of my absolute favorite Italian restaurants in Melbourne. It is so delicious. If you've not been there, I would highly recommend. But her actual birthday is tonight, so I'm having the family over for dinner and I am cooking pasta. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to make a sausage pasta. This is a recipe that I've actually never done before. I'm always kind of nervous when I'm doing a new recipe and it's not just for myself, like I'm serving it to other people, but hopefully it's delicious. I'm also going to make a rocket salad, a garlic bread, and have a little bit of an antipasto to start. So yeah, that is the plan. The recipe that I'm using is from my very good friend, Kayla Lamana. She has a cooking page on Instagram and TikTok called What Would Kayla Cook? And she literally makes the most delicious food. Everything she makes looks so yum. And I've also had the pleasure of eating some of her food as well, and it's just incredible. This is her recipe and it does look pretty easy to follow, so we'll see how we go. Happy birthday, Mama! Beautiful. I'm a lucky girl. Oh, so you can. Good afternoon guys, it is quite literally 100 degrees in Melbourne right now. I am so hot, but this is the outfit that I've put together for the afternoon. Shoes are literally the ballet flats that I pretty much just live in. White skirt I got in Japan from a independent designer, so I really don't know what brand it is. Top is from Arquette, and my bag, which I really haven't gotten anywhere near enough use out of, so I'm gonna try and wear it a little bit more, is from Burberry. This was such a beautiful gift that I received from them last year, so I definitely want to make an effort to enjoy this piece more. on this biop journey, you will know that getting my nails done and just the whole nail experience at the moment is really doing a lot for me. So this is always a very exciting day. I've had the green cat eye nails on for about 2 weeks. As much as I've absolutely loved these nails, I think I am ready for a change, and I think I'm gonna go something a little bit more low-key this time. So no cat eye effect, just like a plain block color. Not entirely sure what color just yet, but I'm gonna go and look at the selections and we're gonna figure it out. Just got home and got changed to head to a Pilates class. Like they didn't 100% get the color right for what I had in mind for my nails today. I was kind of hoping for them to be a little bit more chocolate brown, but instead they've kind of come out with like a purpley red undertone. It is what it is. I'm still really happy, and I still think they look really good and also actually match perfectly my little Pilates outfit, which we love. So excited for my plans for the rest of the night. I'm going to come home and take an everything shower and then make myself a plate of pasta because that's just what I'm craving. Not sitting right because I'm seated, but it looks normal when I'm standing up, I promise. I have a couple of appointments in the city this morning, so I'm going to take you guys along. Just editing this episode of Melbourne Diaries right now, and I just thought I'd actually jump on very quickly to tell you guys a little bit more information about the warehouse sale that we're having tomorrow morning. So it's from 9 till 12 and it's in Fitzroy. If you head to the corner of Smith Street and Argyle Street and just follow the signs, it will lead you to a garage where we have been setting up for this wardrobe sale all afternoon. I'm super excited to hopefully see a lot of you there tomorrow morning. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next week. Bye.